Welcome to today's AI lessons in under 5 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how to maintain control while using AI to enhance your business decisions. Let's dive into a real demonstration using ChatGPT. First, let's understand what we're trying to accomplish. Many business owners worry about losing control to AI. Today, I'll show you how to 1. Use AI for research and analysis. 2. Maintain control of the decision-making process. And 3. Combine AI insights with your business expertise. Let's work through a real business scenario. Imagine you're deciding whether to expand your product line. Here's how to use AI while staying in control. Step 1, frame your question. Watch how I structure this prompt. I run a small boutique considering adding a new product line. Help me analyze 3 options: handmade jewelry, sustainable clothing, and home accessories. Consider initial investment, target market, competition, and potential profit margin. Notice how ChatGPT provides organized analysis but doesn't make the decision for you. Step 2, request specific details. So let's dig in deeper to what we've received. Here we'll use the prompt. For each option, what are the key risks and challenges a small boutique might face? See how we're gathering information while maintaining control of the process? Step 3, challenge the analysis. This is crucial. Always verify and question. So now we use the prompt, what market research sources would you recommend to verify this analysis? Notice how AI provides suggestions for verification, showing it's a tool for gathering information, not making final decisions. Step 4, apply your expertise. Here's where your knowledge becomes crucial. Let's combine AI insights with your business experience. So now the prompt is, based on my local market and current customer base of working professionals aged 25 through 40, which option aligns best with my existing business? See how we're using AI to enhance your decision making, not replace it? Some key takeaways from today. 1, start with clear, specific questions. 2, request detailed analysis. 3, always verify information. 4, combine AI insights with your expertise. 5, make the final decision yourself. Just some pro tips to keep in mind along the way. Keep your prompts focused and specific. Always ask for explanations of recommendations. Use AI insights as one input among many. Trust your business experience. Now it's your turn. Start with a simple business decision you need to make this week. Use these steps to get AI insights while maintaining complete control. Want personalized guidance on implementing AI in your business? Schedule a free 15-minute consultation at investinyourself101.com. Remember, AI is your tool. You are the decision maker.